The Amazon Echo Spot has stood as our favorite bedside companion for over a year thanks to its petite size and price tag compared with the full-size Echo Show. And now Amazon offers yet another small-screen alternative in the form of the $90 Echo Show 5. It's a 5.5-inch model that lacks the booming stereo speakers of the 10-inch, $230 original, but offers a terrific selection of Alexa voice assistant and touchscreen features for $40 less than the Echo Spot. Its versatility and value easily earned our editor's choice for small-screen smart displays. The Echo Show 5 looks like a tinier version of the original model. The touchscreen is surrounded by a flush 0.4-inch frame with a camera at the top right corner. The top edge of the Echo Show 5 features a mechanical switch that slides a privacy screen in place over the camera, along with volume and mic mute buttons. The back has a micro USB port for service, a 3.5mm audio output, and a connector for the included power adapter. The entire device sits securely on a large rubber foot that keeps it from shaking across the table when it plays music, although it doesn't have much power for that. Setting up the Echo Show 5 is simple and doesn't require the Alexa app like some other Alexa devices you need. You can enter your network information and Amazon account right on the touchscreen, and then you're ready to go. You still have the Alexa app on your phone for setting up smart home features and routines, however. Alexa feels stiffer to work with than Google Assistant, requiring more precise language when issuing commands, but it supports far more smart home devices and has a much wider range of third-party skills. You can control your smart lights, smart thermostats, smart locks, smart plugs, and most other smart devices with voice commands through the Echo Show 5. If you have a compatible home security camera or video doorbell, you can see its video feed on the screen and even interact via two-way voice communication. Music and video playback through Alexa is naturally Amazon-centric, but some third-party services are available. If you want to listen to music on the Echo Show, you can access Amazon Prime Music, Amazon Music Unlimited, and Spotify. For video, Amazon Video is available by default, and you can use additional apps like NBC, though Hulu, Netflix, and YouTube aren't available on the device. The full-size Echo Show impressed us with the powerful sound of its two 10-watt drivers. The single 4-watt driver in the Echo Show 5 is less compelling, but that's to be expected given the price. As such, it struggles with powerful bass. Really powerful sub-bass, like bass synth notes and kick drum hits, distort at maximum volume, which don't really come out with a lot of powerful sound to begin with. Music with less extreme bass than those notes and those instruments, however, sound a bit better. Unfortunately, music streamed over Bluetooth sounds much worse. It adds a lot of Bluetooth artifacts that injects fuzziness into the sound, so if you want to listen to music on the Echo Show, make sure it's available on one of the compatible streaming services you can access on the device itself and not your phone. On a positive note, the Echo Show 5 sounds far better than the $80 Lenovo Smart Clock. The 5.5-inch screen isn't as sharp as most modern smartphones, but it's fairly crisp and colorful considering the Echo Show 5's sub-$100 price tag. It's much easier to watch video than on the Echo Spot's tiny circular display, but the full-size Echo Show has a much larger and higher resolution screen than both. The Amazon Echo Show 5 is a fantastic little smart display that offers loads of features with a more useful, though slightly larger design than the Echo Spot and a lower price tag. It fills the niche for worthwhile sub-$100 smart displays, offering handy voice assistant commands and a functional touchscreen for less than the price of a screenless Echo Plus speaker. Its only real competitor in this category is the disappointing Lenovo Smart Clock, which the Echo Show 5 far outpaces in performance and functionality. It even has a better screen than the Echo Spot and superior audio to the Google Nest Hub, both of which cost over $100. And it can easily fit on any desk, counter, or shelf, knocking the Echo Spot off of its distinguished nightstand as our ideal bedside smart display.